Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Another great day today, beating the market again. Absolutely wonderful. Bought a 2-week low on the S&P. That went up. That was the right thing to do, and then predicted as well XRP going down, and that was the right thing to do. So, very good. All our members, again, winning here on the show. Bought more S&P. So overall, I'm not at an all-time high because we had a dip. But as you can see, if we scroll back through, let me go through where are we? This number here, 134,788. So you can see we are just about $1,000 off an all-time high, but now we own more of the S&P, and the good part is the Roth IRA is holding down, and we've only got 2 weeks to go now before we can pick up $8,000 worth of Coca-Cola at a 5.43 discount. I'm not saying it's going to stay there because today is dividend day. I'll earn $200 today on Coca-Cola. There it is. You can see it just coming in right now. There's my payday today, $205 today. That will go at the end of close today. And the moment it does, assuming that Coca-Cola is still down, which I'm sure it will be, I'll be buying it immediately, absolutely immediately. Won't be any hesitation, any thought into that. It's already been calculated. It's already been decided. All right, so good day. Coming up on today's show, we have got lots to talk about today. We'll be covering the latest news, of course, on XRP and Ripple as it comes out. We're also going to cover these main stories this morning. Trump transition team recommends significant changes to Biden era EV incentives. Elon Musk is new best mate. MicroStrategy buys 1.5 billion of Bitcoin. This is all breaking news this morning, only out in the last few minutes. Stock futures show little moves as FOMC decision looms. Of course, we're going to cover that live. NVDA, Broadcom, as well, top chip stocks for 2025. We'll be covering all of this news this morning, so you cannot afford to miss it. And of course, we've got two major events about to happen on the show. Here is the first one in 2 days' time. You can tune in for a members exclusive members live stream, at least at the beginning. And we have the FOMC report. That is so important to understand what that's all about. We'll be covering all of that. So that's happening. Plus, if you are a fan of my music, every morning, every afternoon, now I'm bringing out a Christmas song. Today, I brought out this one, Band-Aid. Do you remember Band-Aid? Remember that in England? It started Live Aid in the US. There it is, Band-Aid, 34 minutes ago. Just put it out, so there you go. Pinned to the top, you can see our playlist. There is what the hell's his name? Bono and Bob Geldof. Bloody hell, I forgot his name then. So anyway, I've just brought that out a few moments ago. If you want to go and check that on my official artist channel, it's just been released 34 minutes ago. You just missed the premiere. If you go to the top in the chat, you'll see the playlist. And you can check out our Christmas song every morning. We've got one coming out today as well at the end of the show. What's the premiere today? Right at the end of today's show, it is. What am I bringing out today? I'm bringing out. I wish it could be Christmas. Wish it could be Christmas. That's coming out at 10 a.m. this morning. Straight at the end of our show. Premieres in 2 hours. And here it is. This is the link. You might want to tune in for this one. Wish it could be Christmas. This is the one that's coming out in 2 hours from now. Check it out. Love you to join me for the world premiere as it goes live. All right. Okay. Now, this morning I posted on my social media my news of the stocks that was happening, and I was right. So I shared it with you. I share it if it's wrong as well, of course. But there's my X and Instagram. So what did I put out this morning? On my X, this is what I shared this morning with you. On my X, I said, very, very important this, XRP VOO. The S&P 500, essentially, and XRP. Fundamentals, news, balance sheets, combined with chart tech, plus human relationships nurtured. Very, very important to build relationships with hedge fund managers, CEOs I can talk to, learn about the weather of the markets. Rarely fails. XRP down forecast, tick, and bought the S&P on a 2-week low, tick, and gone up. There you go. And as you can see, since then, it's gone up a lot more as well. So there's my post this morning. I also share that on Blue Sky now. Those that don't like Elon Musk, that prefer the alternative view, there is my Blue Sky link in the chat. You might want to see on Blue Sky. There is the same post. And of course, I shared the same thing on Facebook, our pages, our Instagram, and our threads. And all those links are in the chat underneath the description of the video as well. So there you go. That's how you can keep up with what I'm doing as I do it, before I do it, the trades I make before I make them. So you're not behind. I don't make videos and then tell you about it. I just tell you what I'm going to do publicly, and then I do it. Right. Okay. Let's read all our comments this morning. Good morning, Martin. Let's go XRP. Fantastic. Good afternoon. What's going on with Seduce Space today, Henrik? I don't know. Good morning, Lucas Aiden. We'd like to offer our support. Last night, Stacey Bailey was terrified. She was out with her horses, with a horse trailer, on ice and snow, and nearly skid off into a ravine. These are the words from Stacey Bailey. And she's all right. The horses got out okay, but she was terrified. So best to Stacey. So she's in the chat right now. So if everyone could give some love to Stacey this morning. There we go. Let's spam. No one spammed as good as me. Look, you can't beat me. You can't beat me. There you go. Best to Stacey. She was terrified last night. So we want to send some love to Stacey Bailey this morning. Mike's here. Here he is. First care package arrives tomorrow, Mike. Keep an eye out for it. There's 4 packages spread over to give you a little surprise and a little build-up and treats every day. All right. Hi, Henrik. Hi, Stacey. Iberian Wolf. Hello, hello, hello. Dan Ackerman. Good morning. Sightless. Good morning to you, Sightless. Martin, can I suggest when people call in to have rules like no talk about religion? Oh, I see. You saw the interview. Well, I don't know. It was at the end of a show. It's the phone-in period of the Friday phone-in, whatever it was. The Friday phone-ins for everyone to express themselves openly and freely. Everyone can have, everyone has a voice. I don't know if we want to make it you can't talk about certain things. We don't do it in the main show, but at the end and the Friday phone-ins, I think it's appropriate, really. Gives everyone the chance to talk about what it is they want to do. I've got no problem with that. Anyway, let me bring something up. I just forgot something very, very important. I need to actually add this. Let me add this a moment. So I don't need that there, but I do need that, and I do need that. So I'm going to add this. Top left-hand screen. Yes, there it is. I'm making a little adjustment here, which is important. Yeah, there it is. Okay, I should be covering that in a minute. Look at it go up. Absolutely beautiful. Now, bearing in mind, don't chase it now. The opportunity is gone. XRP is going down. Crypto's going down. The S&P is going up. Just exactly like we said ahead of time. Now it's not time to buy the S&P. Now's the time to buy XRP. All right, so the market is going up. And we bought extra, another 5 shares of it. And so it will take a lot less time now to get to our all-time high. Remember, our all-time high is 135.5, 135.6. So we'll get there a lot quicker now because now we have even more of the S&P. So we waited. We got a 2-week dip, and I recognized it. And I bought it within 9 cents of the bottom of a 2-week dip on the S&P. Within 9 cents. It was a perfect trade. Well, I say it was a trade. It wasn't really a trade, was it? It was a buy. It wasn't a trade because I'm not selling it. I just want to acquire more of it. Hopefully had a nice anniversary. Yes, we did. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks for all the love, the super chats, all the comments. Thank you. 7 years marriage yesterday. 7 years and 1 day today, Leah says. So that's all good. And yes, it was a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks to all of you. And thank you for tuning in yesterday on my anniversary show. Yesterday was quite a momentous occasion. Sensei was away. So I covered yesterday's show and did it myself. And guess what? How many views do you think I got? How many views do you think I got? 9,565. Get in. Best Sensei Sunday ever. Just me. What does that tell you? I don't know. You decide. I'm just going on the number. I'm a numbers man. All right? Yesterday, the best ever Sunday show. 7,565. I mean, I don't know. Just me, no sensei. You decide. Okay? Just saying. I mean, numbers don't lie, do they? Numbers don't lie, do they? Can't wait to wind Sensei up at the best ever Sensei Sunday show ever without you. What do you mean? Nearly 10,000 views. Oh, yeah, on my own without you. How'd that work? Good afternoon. The Peckman, good afternoon. Grand day to all. Vanessa Griggs, lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. Hi, Berian. Hi, Peckham. Hi, Vanessa. Best to Tracy. Best. Oh, that was me spamming the channel, right? I don't need to read that out again. Love to you, Stacey. Thank you. It was scary. Bloody hell, yeah. I can imagine it was. It sounds pretty bloody scary. Yeah, I would imagine it was. Yeah. Thank goodness, Stacey. Yes. Ian Eastwood, how are you? Good morning to you, Ian Eastwood. Thanks for the wave. Thank goodness, Stacey. How far Coca-Cola can go? Doesn't matter. Don't need to make that prediction. Doesn't matter. It's low enough. It's undervalued. It's expensive stock, but it's going to perform 20% next year. It's going to beat the S&P next year, which is why I'm buying it. I've already got $28,000. It went down a bit more after I bought it, but there'll be $200 today. I'm buying because I get the dividend today, and then on the 1st of January, $8,000 from margin dropped into my Roth IRA, 3% match. Thank you very much. Then buy the dip. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Will it be down on the 1st of January? I don't know. If it's up 1 or 2%, I won't be buying it. I'll be buying the S&P instead. But if it's below my cost basis, it's down 5.4%. I absolutely 100% already decided 100% will be buying it. And the moment it makes me 15% profit, I will sell it and buy back the S&P. That's exactly the plan I will be following, Stan. All right. Always planning ahead, 5 moves ahead. S&P beating again today. I bought the 2-week dip within 9 cents of it. Best for you, Stacey. Morning all. Fair play. Iberian Wall. Thank you very much for your understanding. Yeah, not in the main shows, but if we do have a Friday phone-in and people want to discuss stuff, everyone, like you might want to discuss stuff, Iberian Wolf, and we'll talk to you. When buy XRP? Did you see Sensei's chart last night? If you didn't, go back and watch last night's show. Gives you all the numbers. Exactly. Congratulations, Martin and Leah. Thank you. Happy anniversary, Martin. Thank you so much indeed. We live in a 7-year cycle. Excellent. Well, 7 years. We did it. Longest I've ever been with anybody. There we go. Broken all the records. Which platform do you suggest to buy XRP on Kraken? Or do you think I need a wallet? You just buy it on Robinhood. Here is the link. If you want Robinhood USA, you get free stocks today. And Robinhood UK, you get free stocks today. Go and check them out. There you go. We're giving free stocks away. Sensei, better set it up. Sensei, better step it up. Yeah, wait till he gets back. Well, you're on holiday, mate. Well, you're on holiday. I'm building the channel. Never stop. Never, ever give. Never stop. Never will. Never have. Never will. So when does the rally start? Since last week is a short week. The Santa rally is the last 5 days of the trading year. So the Santa rally starts, I would say on Wednesday. I would say on Wednesday with the FOMC report. That's what we're looking for. I appreciate the freedom of speech. Very Texas of you. Not really. Texas isn't free speech at all. No, it didn't. It didn't. Why? Come on. All of my members will know what I'm talking about. What's free about Texas? Can anybody remember? I've told you about this before. You think Texas is free? You've got no idea what you're talking about. What's free? What can you not do in Texas? You watch. The first one to pop in will be Mike. Because I know what you're talking about. Yeah, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. There's Texas is like flipping North Korea. I'll tell you what it is in a minute. Everyone's going to go, really? Is that true? Yeah, it's true. Can we calm down with a clicky, baity title like the 50% crasher today? I think some will start to question the channel's credibility. Hertz D, you're not even a member of my channel. I'm growing, I'm doubling my rate of growth every month. 98% of our viewers are members. It's the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world by miles. All right, Mr. Beast has about 8-9% of his viewers are members. 98% of my members, my live viewers are members. See everyone with a badge? People love the way the channel is. It's open, it's honest, it's real. The purpose of a thumbnail is to explain what is contained therein. And it did exactly contain what's therein. Just because you don't like the news or the story that we're telling you, that's your problem. But the fact of the matter is, it's designed to get your interest of what is contained therein, and it was exactly what was contained. If I had a picture of a naked lady and saying, "Joining the show, there's naked ladies dancing around," that would be negative clickbait of no value to anyone, serves no purpose. It's a lie. People do it all the time. I, however, always use thumbnails that I design myself by hand, no AI, and they tell the story and suggest what's contained inside the video. And it's also designed to get you to watch so you understand what's going on. If I made it really boring and, Martyn sat on the toilet making stock prediction, or maybe that would be weird. Maybe people will click on that. I don't know. Anyway, so it works. People like it. Everyone's a member. 98% are members, so it works. So you need to understand what clickbait is. Every single book cover, every single headline on a newspaper, every single billboard outside a cinema, a movie cinema, is clickbait. It's designed to get you to look. There's no point in it being don't look, is it? But it's got to be truthful, and mine always are, and that's why everyone's a member. Afternoon, Kazansky, good morning to you. Hi, Lyle. Hi, Kazansky. Hi from Australia. 12:45 here, so only staying for a short time. Thank you for the great channel. Cindy McDonald, welcome to you. Of course, at the end of our show, which today will be at 9:30, so that's in an hour and a half from now, we will do onboarding for everybody. Those that want to access Ed Nevius, those that want to access Sensei Crypto, the charts, the training, all the information on our Discord for free. I cover all the costs. If you want all of that, you become a member, and I will onboard you at the end. If you've already signed up but not been onboarded, I will do it at the end for you. Plus, if you've sent a friend request, not had it accepted, there is the link. At the end of the show, which is an hour and 40 minutes from now, I will onboard everybody. Yes, no porn in Texas. That's correct. Someone just said free speech. There's nothing free about living in Texas. Go to porn.com. You cannot watch it in Texas. Greg Abbott, rolling around in his chair, has decided that you're not allowed to look at porn. That's it. The rest of the world says yes. But there's a couple of states in America that say no as well. So don't think, everyone thinks America's completely free. It ain't completely free. There's loads of stuff that you can't do. Actually, if you travel around the world, there's lots of things that you can do in other countries that you cannot do in America. And porn.com is one of them. I just thought you might find that interesting. Not many people think about that, but it's the truth. It's kind of strange, isn't it? You wouldn't believe it. But it's true. That is the absolute truth. It's unbelievable. Hard to imagine, but it's true. In America, in Texas, they decide what you can and cannot watch. It's quite funny, really. You can't milk a neighbor's cow on Sundays in Texas. You can't milk a neighbor's cow any day. Should you be able to do that? That's basically stealing and abusing someone's animals. I mean, I would have thought. Anyway, you can't sell your organs. Yeah, good. Or keyboards. Or keyboards. You can't milk another person's cow. Good. You shouldn't be able to anyway, should you really? Hello, Mike. So did Alabama. So did Alabama. I personally love this channel because of Martyn's very consistent with his observations of the market and the news affecting it. It's not like any other channel of doom and gloom one day and then euphoria the next day. Absolutely not. I want to be absolutely clear here. And that's a really, really great comment from Carl. Carl is a brand new member. He's got a green badge, and he's only been a member for less than a month, and he's made a very detailed discovery there, because what he said, it's not like other channels, doom and gloom one day and then euphoria, and that's a really important point because we are consistent. However, for those that don't read the whole, watch the video, might think that we're not consistent because they'll say, you said XRP to $10, correct? We believe so. And we also said XRP 50% crash. Well, that can't be right then, can it? That's a contradiction. Not at all. Both events can exist and both events will exist. So I'm really proud that Carl, who's only been a member for less than a month, or maybe a month, I don't know, because you've got a green badge. No, less than a month, yes. Less than a month, green badge. He's already realised that. So yes, you will see a thumbnail for that clown earlier on. The guy who wasn't a member, just coming in, talking about clickbait and all the rest of it, hasn't got a clue how clickbait works. He probably looks at the thumbnail like reading a comic, looks at it and goes, Martyn Lucas said, stock's going up. Martyn Lucas is going down. Rubbish, an idiot. Didn't actually bother to read the information. The fact of the matter is, we were right. There was a 25% crash. There was another 20% crash. So most of our members now own more XRP because of that. A 50% crash is coming. It's not a matter of when. It's not a matter of if. It's a matter of when. That's true. But we also believe it's going to $10. So if you're just accumulating now and doing nothing and waiting to $10, you're going to win. However, if you want to acquire more and more stock, more and more coins, more and more shares, more and more whatever, you need to trade. And I did exactly that. In October, 19 trades, 19 wins. And I identified 2 weeks ago the bottom of the S&P. I said, that is a safe place to buy more. Even though I'm already in at much lower levels and already in with margin, I want to acquire more and more of the S&P. I want to own every single share of the S&P. I mean, I'd like to. It's never going to happen, but that's my goal. Right? So, I want to own more and more of it, which will mean I will have bigger down days and bigger up days. That's inevitable because the more you own, the more your portfolio financial in money terms will move. The percentage will be the same whether you own one share or a billion shares. But you've got to recognize what's going on in the market and accumulate. Accumulate is the key to this. In my case, I don't sell. On my brokerage account, I only own the S&P to be fully transparent so everyone knows I'm not pumping and dumping. I'm not Roaring Kitty. Roaring Kitty's a bloody idiot. He just used people to make money for himself and lark about, basically, like a clown. Here, we talk to the real people, the real investors, and we help people. And it's not about my portfolio, but yet I will always win because I'm just doing the basic stuff, which kind of always works. Anyway, GoDB, hi Mike, how are you? Martyn is very honest and truthful. Ask me anything, I will answer anything, no matter what it is. In fact, next week, I think it's 10 days from now, isn't it? I can't remember what day it is now. What day is it? I'm going on someone's channel. I'm going on someone's channel. I don't know who it is. Can't remember. On the 23rd, December the 23rd, I'm going on Power Group. They've asked to interview me with my thoughts on XRP and Tilray. And I've said yes. It's the first interview I've ever done on somebody else's channel. It's a world exclusive, unscripted. I insist on that. So you can ask me anything you want, so everyone knows it's real. And if you want to know, if you want to join me, I am more than happy to be promoting other people's channels and stuff like that. Here it is. It's on my X account. There's my X. I've just given you my X in the chat. If you go to my X account, Power Group, they're interviewing me, a live stream, unedited, unscripted, and you might want to join me. In fact, I would like the Lucasades to join me because he might not like some of the things I'm going to say. And his viewers might not like it either. They are fans of XRP, crypto, and Tilray. And I'm not a fan of any. So there might be a bit of oogie-bargy going on there. So we might like our Lucasades to tune in with that broadcast. Basically, I'll take you from my live stream directly to it, just so we can. We'll just give him a million. We'll give him a million views. All right. So that'll be fun. That'll be nice. Okay. I've only been a member for 1 month, but I've been watching nearly every day for 6 months. Before those 6 months, I felt much more anxiety watching my portfolio. Yeah, there's no need for anxiety here. If you have anxiety, you're doing it wrong. I never worry, stress. Absolutely. There's no stress here at all, ever. None whatsoever. We just relax, enjoy ourselves every day. It's why I put a bit of music in it. It's why we have a laugh. Sometimes people criticize, going, "Why are you larking around? Why are you laughing?" Because I'm making money and I'm happy. And if I'm happy, I'm making money. And if I'm making money, I'm happy. And if I'm happy, I'm making money. You get how it works now. So there we go. Pal Group is good. Go DB. Well, you're going to see me live on it. Following on X, thanks, Glenn Frey. Thank you very much, X. Thank you very much, X. If you are one of my members, Glenn, I know you're not, but if you become a member, I engage with you on X. I reply to your comments personally, never use AI, do it all personally, and I give everyone the best value I can. All right. Good morning, Octavio. Hi, Martin. Do you think TPL will outperform the S&P in 2025? Yeah, if you bought it on the dip, I do, because I think the S&P is going to go flat soon. That's why I'm buying Coca-Cola. That's why I'm buying the dips, not the pumps. Money making make me happy. Yep, sightless. Right, okay, we've covered all the questions. We're now going to do our news features of the day. We're going to ring the bell. We've also got our world premiere coming up at the end. We're also going to link you to the 24-hour event at the end of this as well. But I've got some news stories to bring to you. You've got 48, in fact, less than that, about 36 hours left to get our limited edition collectible Christmas mugs from $19.99. I can't make them any cheaper. These are exclusive. They're shipped to you around the world. There it is, our Christmas mug of 2024. It will never be available again in 36 hours. Some of the ranges have gone completely sold out, but this is all that's left. This is the link here. If you click on it, it'll take you to here. We've got a white mug, a black mug. We've got different colored socks. Some of the socks colors have sold out. I'm sorry that the socks are expensive for shipping. It's because they're not made in the US. They are very original. So we've not sold that many of them. There wasn't that many available because the shipping is expensive. But some people are okay with that because they know it's exclusive. This is the mug. This is what it looks like. I've signed it. They're all signed, so they're personalized. Lucasades. There you go, from our studio. Happy Christmas 2024. The link's below the video, but I will give it to you. Did I save that link? Oh, no, I didn't. All right, then. That don't seem right. I can't give people that link. That's bloody ridiculous. Why is the link so long? Why is the link so long? That's bloody mental. Why is the link so long? Oh, that's better. There you go. Let me give you that link. There you go. It's 36 hours left. It ends on Wednesday during the day, depending on what time zone you're on. It ends, and they'll be gone forever. No coming back, going, oh, we'll sell a few more. No. limited edition, and there you go. All right. Portfolio, top up to date, loving it. Don't top it up today, top it up 2 weeks ago. That was the time to buy the S&P. F. Caban, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Hope you're well. Right, it's 8 o'clock. We can now go into our featured news that we're doing today. We'll do our onboarding at the end of the show in an hour and a half from now. So if you need onboarding, we will onboard you at the end of the show. For those that like the journey of the family, we're just coming up to 53,000 subscribers. So tap the like button and you might become our 53rd subscriber today. Let's get to 53,000 during today's show. I think we could do that. Click subscribe, ring the bell, and tap the like button. That would be absolutely awesome. So our news stories coming up this morning, looking at XRP news. Plus, we've got news from Donald Trump, news from MicroStrategy Bitcoin, the FOMC report. We're going to cover it live, and NVDA, Broadcom. We're going to cover all of that live today. So let's start off by getting 100 likes on the show. We've got 167 watching. Let's have some fun. Are you ready? Let's pump up the music. Here we go. We need 100 likes. 172 watching, so we should be able to get 100 likes. Are you ready to start? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're starting with 8 likes. Let's refresh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, if you like the video, YouTube shows you my content. If you tap the down like video, you'll never see me again. Wow, that was quick. Jump straight to 46. So if you tap the like button, you don't harm me or stop my channel growing or stuff it to me or anything like that. It doesn't do anything. All it does is says you don't want to see this anymore. You won't see my content, and then you will not see the truth. This is the most honest, truthful channel on YouTube TV. If you don't like the truth, go and watch somebody else. They'll tell you whatever you want to hear to sell videos. That's not what we do. Right, you ready? We need 100 likes within 1 minute. 46, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're now up to 56. We're over halfway there. Okay, fantastic. I'm going to call it in 30 seconds. Let's see if we can get to 100. We've got 161 watching. The most we could probably have is 80 at this stage because 50% of people are not signing to Google. That's just the way it is. It's just the way our Asia audience are. They don't sign in. I don't know why. No one knows. Okay, here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get to 60. 65. Fantastic. 35 to go. Let's see if we can do it. We're going to count down 10 seconds. Are you ready? 65. Then we're going to move on with our news story before the bell goes this morning. We're going to ring the bell live. We're going to go over to Wall Street to cover it as well. So here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're now up to 67 likes. That'll do. Fantastic. The most we could get is 80 is because we've had one down like, 67 likes. Fantastic. 99.9% of people are enjoying the show, which is absolutely wonderful. The 1% or less than that who don't want to watch, we wish you the very, very best in whatever it is that you want to follow from now on. We don't mind. We're not here to get the biggest. We're here to get the best YouTube channel in the world. All right. Okay. Now then, let's get straight to our news. 1 year badge, finally. GoDB. Hey, congratulations. GoDB has been following the channel now for 1 year. He's got a big 1 year badge. That'll become 2 years, and on the 3rd year, you get a trophy. So congratulations to you, and your benefits improve over time. And we're also speaking to YouTube to try to implement memberships for the people that have been members the longest to provide extra benefits to those that were members as well. Congratulations, GoDB. Awesome stuff. So look at Stephen. He'll be having his 3 year badge in a minute. Still early in the USA is USA 2. Jocelyn says, subscribe, folks. Smash the button. Good morning, Martin. Signed, you know who. Dominatrix. The XRP update. Kelvin. Not a member, doesn't say hello, good morning, just comes in, says XRP update. Well, you can now wait till the end. We're here to serve our members. Don't make any apologies over that. Right, so here we go. News of the day. Okay, you ready? Let's get straight into it. Here we go. News of the day. So I'm going to start here. So that's 35. Trump EV. And we're going to go to Tesla, TSLA. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, EV, Trump, new election, new president. Well, hang on. I'll say that again. That was rubbish. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, the new president, EVs, tariffs, everything changes. Here's the news. Tesla's up big time over the last month, of course, with the new best relationship with Donald Trump.
Benjamin Sindmark has become a member.
Thank you, Benjamin Sindmark, for becoming a member. Thank you much indeed. Welcome to the family. I will onboard you and give all your perks at the end of the show. But this is our latest news this morning. Big deal here. Trump transition team recommends significant changes to Biden-era EV incentives. What's it all about? We heard earlier that incentives were taken away in California, didn't we? And new best mate of Trump, Elon Musk. What happened there? Well, let's read on to the news. This is just out a few moments ago. This is latest breaking news that you can't get unless you are a pro customer of Seeking Alpha, or watch my show and get it for free. How about that? President-elect Trump's transition team is recommending that the incoming administration modify subsidies and tax incentives tied to the adoption of electric vehicles, reversing policies enacted by the Biden administration, according to a document reviewed by Reuters. Trump's transition team is also recommending harsher restrictions on battery and battery component imports, as well as easing some of the Biden mandates regulating the production of internal combustion engines. Interesting, right? I wonder how Elon feels about this. The restrictions on batteries and battery components will apply to all nations that export into the US with individually negotiate exemptions for allies. There you go, England. We get a good deal. Nice one. Very nice. The new recommendations are in addition to plans to eliminate the $7,500 tax credit for EV purchases and to reallocate what remains of the $7.5 billion to build charging stations to develop domestic battery manufacturing that will bolster the national defense supply chain and critical infrastructure. All right, so they want to use the money to build out the system rather than incentives and improve and be able to manufacture our own batteries. I think that works for me. Of course it does. Right. While batteries, minerals, and other EV components are critical to defense production, EVs and charging stations are not, according to a document viewed by Reuters. The timing of the new mandates come just as domestic automakers are scaling back production of EVs in response to the sluggish adoption of alternative fuel vehicles. When he takes office, President Trump will support the auto industry, allowing space for both gas-powered cars and electric vehicles. Trump transition team spokesman Caroline Leavitt said in a statement to Reuters. Now then, I wonder how Elon feels about that. But of course, it's not affected the stock price, has it? The stock price has still gone up. You know what? I don't think people buy EVs primarily because of the discount. I think they buy EVs because they like them and they're convenient and they save them money and yada 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 yada. If you've got more charging stations, that's better for everybody. If we're making our own batteries, potentially the cost could come down anyway, and then we bring more business into America and everyone does better. This could be very, very interesting. And obviously Donald Trump also wants to give everyone the choice. It's not just EV all the way. It's promoting the gas cars as well. And Elon himself has said there's no way we can build them fast enough to replace all of the gas cars immediately anyway. So I like that. I think he's had a chat with Elon, and it's okay to still promote gas cars because we can't build them fast enough anyway. So I think it's pretty good. I like the deal. What do you think about this? This is some latest news just on in. If you'd like all my Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread news and so on and so forth, you can get a free trial, free discounts, and the link's in the chat, and it's also below in the description. We're now going to move on to our next news. Make sure that you join us on Wednesday for the biggest event so far since the last biggest event. It's the FOMC report. How can you miss it? You can't miss it. Absolutely. This is the event happening on Wednesday. Join us. The first part will be members only to answer all questions and to do the poll. Will we get a rate cut? And don't forget, check out all my Christmas songs. I'm the World Piano Man. Every day I'm bringing out a new Christmas song. That's the one coming out today. I just did Band-Aid a few moments ago. But now to wrap this up, let me give you all the links. Tesla, click above my Tesla and Trump today. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I shall put the Tesla playlist, and down here, I shall put the no. Do you know what I'll do? No, I won't. I'm doing it differently. There is my Christmas song of the day. Today will be Band-Aid. That's the one that just gone out, and down here, I'll put the FOMC report. FOMC, join us on Wednesday. Up there for the song of the day, Band-Aid. It's what started Live Aid. America, you thought you were first? Nah, Bob Geldof did it way before you. Anyway, there we go with Bono. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, our next news story we're covering. This is important for Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin, here we go. Good morning, Giles. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Benjamin. I'll onboard you at the end of the show in an hour and a quarter. All right, then BTC. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Bitcoin down slightly, but just reached another all-time high. I've got some news. I'm going to share some news with you about MicroStrategy just in a few minutes ago. But first of all, just a little bit of gleanness. You've got to put a bit of gleanness into the show. It's Christmas, right? I put this post out, and it's very, very important to keep everything into context. I posted on my X account, my Instagram, Threads, everywhere, basically. XRP and VU. We like XRP. We like Bitcoin too. But I prefer the S&P 500. That's what I invest in all the time because, of course, the show has to be impartial for my viewers. Fundamentals, news, balance sheets, combined with chart tech, plus human relations nurtured. Very important as I speak to my Wall Street managers, my CEOs, all the time online through my through my socials. Rarely fails. It rarely does. XRP down forecast, tick. Bought the S&P on the 2-week low, tick. And there are my performances. I share everything with you before I do it. I share my trades before I do it, and so on and so forth. So Bitcoin is great. XRP is great, but there are also dips and opportunities to buy something else in between to accumulate. So what's the news today? Only just out. If you've not received this news before, you won't have done because it's pro version of Seeking Alpha on Alpha Spread. There's a link in the chat. You get the free trials, free discounts, or you can look below in the description on the video. What is the news? We like Bitcoin. We prefer XRP from a use case, but Bitcoin just to hold. MicroStrategy buys 1.5 billion of Bitcoins in the past week. This is out just a few moments ago, literally few moments. It's hot off the press, okay? There he is, Michael Saylor, gleefully doing a bit of Christmas glee. MicroStrategy used proceeds with the sale of 1.5 billion of stock. So basically, they kind of diluted the stock to find more money, to buy more, to take the stock back up again. No one really minds them doing that. In other companies, if you dilute, the investors get a bit like, ugh. But they dilute just to buy more Bitcoin. But would have perhaps done it earlier on in the year. But anyway, that's me. MicroStrategy used proceeds from the sale of 1.5 billion of stock to acquire 15,350 Bitcoin during the week of December 9th to the 15th. Wow. Absolutely wow. The company disclosed on Monday. That's just out a few seconds ago, so you just found it out first. Breaking news here first. In its latest purchase, the company paid 100,386 per Bitcoin, including fees and expenses. Bloody hell! Hell, what a! I mean, if you want bullish sentiment, there it is. Let me just buy 30. Was it 13,000? Was it 1.5 billion? Was it 13,000? Let me just remind myself. 15,000 Bitcoins at an all-time high. I mean, there you go. Same as I just bought the S&P. I bought it on a 2-week dip, though, which was better than Michael Saylor, but still virtually an all-time high, right? So if you good assets just keep going up, you always buy them all-time highs. But you just try and find a macro dip like I did. He decided just to go, sod it, I'll buy the top, I don't care. MicroStrategy Bitcoin yield for the period. See, he's a bit more of a fan. I'm a bit more an investor. Slightly different strategy there. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin yield for the period of January to the 1st of December. Sorry, January, period of January, December. 1st of December, I'm not sure what that is. December 1, I don't know. Anyway, the way they've written that is a bit confusing. Americans write dates and months back to front. I don't know why they do it. Month, day, whatever. Was 72.4% it added. That's up from 68% for the period of January the 1st to December the 8th. Oh, I see. January the 1st, stop, to the 1st, doesn't matter. The company stock climbed 3.7% on Monday, pre-market trading, despite the dilution. Very, very good, which also reflects the company's pending inclusion in the NASDAQ 100, of course. Now, what's really exciting about is MicroStrategy, of course. Now, we covered a great MSTR story the other day about this. I'm going to bring it up on the screen right now. Why I'm really excited about this personally is because I want to see MSTR enter the NASDAQ and then shortly after enter the S&P. I like that. Why I like that? Because I own the S&P exclusively. So having Bitcoin literally directly within the S&P 500, I like it with MicroStrategy. I like it. So there we go. We did see MicroStrategy dip last week and on the news. You can see it dipped off there, and then it rallied up again on this news, and sort of a bit, but we're still up today overall. So very, very nice indeed for MicroStrategy. So there we go. Great news. I'm going to share with you a couple of links. Very, very important. We've got the FOMC report. You cannot afford to miss it. We're going to cover this on Wednesday. Be a huge event, the biggest event since our last biggest event. Each of our events keep getting bigger. This is important because it will tell us where the markets are going, and the Santa rally will literally kick off on this event. Will we get a 0.25? It's 50-50 right now. It's 50-50. Expect a dovish Fed. However, it might just be pause this month, see in January. It could well be sticky inflation. Also, we've got this coming up today. This is my premiere at the end of today's show. Check this out. This is my latest song at premieres today. Tune in for that. That's lovely. And there you go. I think that's everything. Yes. This is our new sponsor, by the way. Go and check him out. I will talk about our new sponsor in a moment. But right now, we're going to end this video out. Click above the links for all my... Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I'm putting our song of the day. Our song of the day is Band-Aid. I just recorded and released Band-Aid this morning. It went out a couple of hours ago. I shall put that just there. And down here, I shall put the FOMC report. You cannot afford to miss it. Join us for the FOMC report. It's when the Santa rally will literally kick off live as we watch it. Will be very exciting. A lot of volatility there beforehand. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, we've covered that. I've got another story. Okay. This is important. FOMC. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, FOMC. Rate cuts Wednesday, or will there be? Santa rally, Or will there be? We're going to cover all the news, bring it live to you. But right now, a breaking news story only out a few seconds ago. I'm going to bring it to you. Have you tapped the like button? I can't possibly share the news with you until you tap the like button. Consider subscribing as well. But we're very, very excited. There's a lot to come. The crowd is getting excited. Yes, the crowd is assembling for our biggest event since the last biggest event, of course, coming up. We're very excited about this. What is it? What's it all about? Let me share with you. We have got a big event on Wednesday. It's the FOMC report, and this is what you need to know before you go in. I've just bought a 2-week dip of the S&P. I've got more. I'm super bullish. I'm expecting a 3x by the end of the decade. $1 million on my portfolio, 100%, no doubt about it. I started with just $5,000, remember? But this is the news just out. I want to share this with you. Stock index futures show little moves as FOMC decision looms. Now, the reason why I'm up a little bit this morning is, first of all, I'm in margin and I bought the dip, so I always are able to exaggerate the market's movement. Let me explain what I mean for those who don't know what I mean. If I go down here and show you the S&P 500, VOO, how do? You will see today, VOO is up 0.29. Hardly up at all. 0.29. I don't mind though. I'm quite happy with that when you consider I bought 0.75% lower than that. Just exactly within 9 cents of a 2-week bottom. I bought it and said, that's okay, I'm buying that, and it went up. Up 0.29. Remember that number. But look at my account. My account is up 0.5. Virtually double. Why double? Because I'm in margin. When I'm up double. When I'm down double. And that's how that works. Okay, that's how I'm able to beat the market. All right, and I also buy the macro dips as well. So I amplify my gains. It's like a second way of doing it. This is the news here. Stock index show little moves as FOMC decision looms. Let me get rid of that. What's all that on the screen there? Right, okay. This is what we're going to cover on Wednesday. You can't miss this event, really, for the volatility and the excitement. Stock index futures were steady on Monday as the Federal Reserve's monetary policy decision, slated to come later in the week, is set to take the spotlight. S&P futures up 0.1, NASDAQ up 0.2, and the Dow Jones up 0.1. The 10-year Treasury yield fell 2 basis points to 4.38. The 2-year yield down 1 basis point to 4.23. Wall Street's major stock averages finished mixed on Friday after spending time finding firm direction through semiconductor stocks. Broadly got a boost from a post-earnings surge in Broadcom. We covered Broadcom earnings, so we covered the news afterwards, by the way. As we hit the last full week of the year, the natural winding down of activity will be punctuated by bursts of activity centered around the Fed, the Bank of Japan, and the Bank of England's meetings, Deutsche Bank's Jim Reed said. The Fed meeting will start tomorrow, with the decision being announced on Wednesday. It is widely expected that the officials will lower the interest rates again, but when they do, don't expect any more for a while. So if you are using margin, budget for that, which is exactly what I'm doing. Always have a managed risk management in place. Jerome Powell also likely emphasized that it is still too early for officials to build any major policy changes from the new Trump administration into their outlook. The long-run dot will likely continue its upward migration, rising to 3.1, Reed added. On the economic front, on Monday, the December New York Empire State Manufacturing Index will land before the bell and is expected to come in at 6.4. The December S&P Global Services PMI, which will be released during market hours, is forecast to decline to 55.7. We'll cover all that live and ring the bell. Okay, so there is the FOMC report. You cannot afford to miss it. This is the event for Wednesday. I'll give you the link at the end. You cannot afford to miss this event. It's going to be huge on our channel. Very exciting. We're recording Christmas songs every day. This is our Christmas one that comes out after our show today. We just recorded Band-Aid. Remember that back in the 80s? Bob Geldof and all the rest of it. Very, very exciting stuff indeed. Okay, let me give you the links. We've got 5 minutes before the bell. Click up above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I'll put our song of the day. Our song of the day, which went out before the show this morning, was Band-Aid. Go and check that out. That's there. And have a bit of Christmas. We've got a whole playlist. And down here, I shall put for you the FOMC report. Make sure you join us for the FOMC report. Can you afford to miss it? Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Alrighty then, that's covered that. And NVIDIA Broadcom. Have I got chance to do it? Okay, NVDA. Very, very quick. NVDA. Got to be quick, Martin. You've got to ring the bell. NVDA. NVIDIA. Boom, 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 boom. NVIDIA. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. NVIDIA is 2 days away, 48 hours away. Can you afford to miss NVIDIA and XRP Day? What am I talking about? I'm talking, of course, about, have you liked, have you subscribed? I will share the breaking news with you. It is this. We are calling it FOMC NVIDIA Day. Of course, it's Jerome Powell. We're going to cover it live. Members only for the first half an hour to answer all the questions and do our poll. Huge event. You cannot afford to miss it. But we've got some other news to add to that as well, which we're going to share with you right now. Here is our other news just out a few seconds ago. NVIDIA Day, XRP Day, Broadcom. We talked about Broadcom as well. NVIDIA, Broadcom, Marvel among Bank of America's top chip stocks for 2025. We did say that NVIDIA is a $200 stock. Stood by that now for 6 months. Within about 8 months from now, I see that. We also said it could go as low as $100, and it did dip, like we said. So, be prepared to buy dips, especially on Wednesday with the volatile markets that we're going to get with the FOMC report. Let me bring you this really quick news. I've only got a minute before the bell goes. NVIDIA, Broadcom, and Marvel Technology are on the list, as are Lam Research on Semiconductor, on Semiconductor, and Cadence Design Systems. These, we see a 2025 as a year of two different trends. Analyst Vivek Ira wrote in a note to clients, in the first half, AI investments and NVIDIA Blackwell deployments driven by US cloud customers sustain momentum in AI semis. However, in the second half, interest could shift to a less crowded auto industrial chip makers on inventory replenishment and pickup in auto production, assuming a global economic recovery. I am very bullish on Broadcom, very bullish on NVIDIA, but like I've said to everybody over and over and over and over again, it's why I'm always beating the market, why I'm always setting all-time highs. NVIDIA, we love it, but I've been loading up on my Coca-Cola now because I think the S&P is about to cool off. We're gonna get a Santa rally, yes. We've got a bit more to go, yes. Volatile on Wednesday, yes. $200 for NVIDIA, yes. But the overall S&P probably only 5 to 8% next year. When my Coca-Cola, which I've been buying the dip, if I share that with you now, there it is, down 5%. Is going to do 15-20% next year, and then I can buy back the S&P once again. There's my breaking news. You cannot afford to miss all this stuff for our event on Wednesday. Do join us. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll post it down there and in the comments. Here, song of the day. I'm the World Piano Man, as voted by Elton John. Today's song of the day is Band-Aid. Just out, go and check our Christmas playlist. Every day I record a new Christmas song from my music studio behind me. And down here is the FOMC report. You cannot afford to miss the FOMC report, the biggest event since the last biggest event, until the next biggest event, when it will be the biggest event that was bigger than the last biggest event. Get it? No. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, time to ring the bell. Let's get ready.
By the way, that's far more than GM 26. Wow, I mean, GM and Stellantis have much lower inventories. And David, they have this gigantic cumulative gap of $8.5 billion warranty and quality problems. They have warranties.
Here we go.
Where the cost
I bought a 2-week dip.
Way too high.
There's the bell. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. The bell has gone. It's rock and roll here on the show. We're beating our records again. We bought a 2-week low within 9 cents. My trade was absolutely spot on. I don't mind telling you, it was within 9 cents of buying a 2-week low on the S&P. I bought another 5 shares, and boom, here we go. I will soon be reaching all-time highs again. My Coca-Cola is staying down. It's exactly what I want, and my overall balance will be an all-time high again today. There it is. It will come up faster now because I own more of the S&P than I did before. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's moving. Are you ready to rumble? Everyone tap the like button. Consider subscribing for the most live, best, most interactive, honest channel in the world. Is it? Yes, it is. Why? Because the members say so. That's why. Let's go. My S&P is up today, looking very nice indeed. The S&P overall, my overall position is up. We love it, love it, loving it. All our members here are making money always. We don't lose money. I don't lose on trades. S&P Global up 0.7. Virgin Galactic going down. Be very, very careful. Very risky. Palantir, too expensive. Going down. It needs to go down. It's too expensive. SPDR Gold up today. Amazon up. Did great on Cyber Monday and Black Friday and stuff like that, and other reasons why it's going up as well. But they're very, very nice for Amazon today. We love it. Apple up today. Thank you very much. Next year, Energy. I hope you bought this solar stock. Great dividend and huge growth. Enphase Energy. We hope you bought it at 65. That's the price we told everyone to buy it. I hope you did. Coca-Cola. If it goes up, I make money. I don't care. If it goes down, I just buy more on the 1st of January. I hope it stays down. I prefer it to stay down. Today, I get $205 for free, which is the dividend payout, which will come in today. And today, I will be buying more of it anyway on the close. As soon as the money's available, I shall be buying it. J&J is flat today. It's a $200 stock. That dividend alone is worth holding it. Chevron Oil going down. Oil's going down, which is taking TPL down at the moment. Tesla up today, 0.55. Rivian, I wouldn't buy it. Rivian is going down today. McDonald's just about to break the 300 barrier. You can never overpay for land. It'll always go up. Google up today, very nice indeed. Looking at their new Willow and all the rest of it, very, very good indeed. Microsoft up but too expensive. NVDA, there it is, great, but it's price to perfection, taking a dive today, just in time for the FOMC report. Exactly like we said, it could go as low as 100. Get ready to buy some more. Just ladder in, and you'll be fine. Walmart going up today. Staple, Tilray breaking down again. Tilray could go bust now. I'm so glad my members got out with this. I reported on it. Please get out of it. It's always barcoding. Barcoding is not good for the stock. It's now 118. It's about to go into delist territory live on the show by the looks of things. Robinhood today. Robinhood is up today. Our target was $40. You broke it. Take some profit. IonQ is great but too expensive. Rocket Lab is great but it's too expensive. Plug, the time to buy it was under the $2. That's what we said. We said take profit. Take some profit, people. Bitcoin, 104,000. XRP, we like it. It's going to $10, but it will go down 50% quite likely before then. In fact, not quite likely, extremely likely. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. What we're trying to do here on the show is accumulate more of our favorite asset. There's the breakdown of the day. I hope you tap the like button. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Well, we got through it. Another great day today. Another great day. Let me now go. Are we a members only? It's hard to tell sometimes because everyone's a member. So let me just no, we are in subscribers only mode. Right. Let me go to members only for a moment then. So give everyone the chance to ask a question. If you want to ask a question, don't forget you can always call in. You don't have to wait until Friday. If you want to be live on the show, if you want to call in, you can call in, ask a question any day. You don't have to wait till the Friday phone-in. You can call in any day. Just ask in the chat. Now, if you've made a comment or a question or something or whatever it might be, repeat it now and I will do it for you. I will answer it for you. Now, we're going to do onboarding. Onboarding will come at the end of the show. So at the end of the show, we will do onboarding. The show ends in 55 minutes. So if you want to get upgraded and you want all the perks and the benefits explained to you on Discord and so on and so forth, that will happen in 55 minutes. So if you want to become a member between now and then, here is the membership link. There's a membership video so you know what's contained in the membership. And I will onboard everybody and accept friend requests and all those great things at the end. All right? So here is the Seeking Alpha and the Alpha Spread link if you want all the links. Here is the music channel if you want to follow the if you want to follow the Christmas playlist. In fact, I'll give you the Christmas playlist. It's pinned to the top. Thanks for all of you watching it and enjoying the Christmas music. I hope you're enjoying it. There is the Christmas playlist for you. There's my Instagram and X, where I post all my links before I make it. There's the all links button, which is our website, martynlucas.com. There's the extra channel, which is 24 hours a day now, so you can talk to all the members. There's the shop if you want to get yourself. It runs out in 36 hours. Your Christmas mug, limited edition, collectible mugs. I've already seen one on eBay being sold for a profit. It's hilarious. Someone said they would do that, and they did it. So there you go. If you want to go and check out my Christmas mugs, limited edition, some of the colors have sold out. Excuse me. And the whole thing will end and never return on Wednesday, which is in 36 hours from when it closes. All right, there you go. There's Discord if you want to get signed up for Discord. If anybody wants some free stock from Robinhood USA, there it is. Robinhood UK, there it is. 5 free stocks being given away at the moment. Right, now let me cover all the questions from everybody. Okay. Hello, Martyn. Let's fix it, Joe. How you doing? I thought you didn't buy individual stocks. I don't. Faris, you're not a member, so I see you're trying to confuse my audience. I don't. What are you suggesting? I only own VOO, the S&P 500, on my brokerage account. I only trade on my Roth IRA, and I only did it when I was on vacation. I don't do it live on the show at all. I did 19 trades in October off air on my Roth IRA, and all I've got now is Coca-Cola. As soon as I make a profit, I will sell it and buy back the S&P. That's it. I do not have any individual stocks on my brokerage account. I've just shown that to you on the screen. There it is. There's my account. 100%, 99.86% in the S&P 500. It would say 100. It's only because when I get free stocks, if someone clicks a referral today, I just get Apple all the time, or J&J if it's lower. But yeah, that's it. So that's why it's 99.86. So I only do buy the S&P 500. SMCI, what the hell? Jumped like crazy after the bell. Squadron, AMD going up. Squadron, send me the link for SMCI. I'll take a look at it. That's not really going up. Why are you saying it's going up? Supermicro is down. There's nothing great about that at all. I tell you what I'll do. I'll explain what's going on, because you're saying it's jumped like crazy after the bell. Not really. Look how the stock trades. It's nothing at all. That's absolutely nothing at all. Let's read the comments. Yes, America. Yes, I know why you're asking. I know exactly why you're asking, F. Gaban, because of your stock. Is it UAWY, whatever it is? Yes, America wants to manufacture their own batteries. Yes, under Trump. Yes, you're right. Stop imports. You are right. I know, and I know why you're exact. Yes. Have you reviewed? Yes. UAMY before it's been pumping. Yes. Yes, we have reviewed it. And we saved one of our members. It was, in fact, F. Gaban, 35% on it. I said, wait for it to dip, and it dipped 35%. Has it gone down lower? Or is it going up now? Let's have a look. UA. Was it MY, wasn't it? Was it UAMY? Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So I'm going to cover both these stories then. UAMY. Okay. 2 stories I'm going to cover there. Yeah, very interesting. If Bitcoin were to experience prolonged bear market, how might MicroStrategy's business model adapt to mitigate the potential negative impact on their stock price? Thanks in advance. Well, look, they're just going to have to trim, aren't they? They're going to have to take profit. But yeah, we are going to get a bear market. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Right. Let me cover these 2 stories, and then we can wrap up the show just in time for onboarding. So SMCI and UAMY. Okay. I know one of my friends is going to love this. He's going to love it. He's going to go, "Oh, thank you very much, because you rank for this." Yeah, I do. And it's good. Okay. We want that. And we want UAMY. Okay. All right, let's do it. So let's do this one first. SMCI. What's the time? The time is 1 hour 12. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, SMCI, Super Microcomputer. We've covered this a lot. It's one of the stocks that we rank either 1 or 2 regularly on YouTube. So this story will be big. A lot of people will watch this story. This is a very, very difficult stock because it's been surrounded by issues of corruption and bad reporting and earnings reports being delayed and everything else, but it does present huge opportunity for those who wish to make money. Today, it was down and it's rallying up quickly. Huge this, but I wouldn't be buying this right now because it's about to fall out of the NASDAQ. This could be an opportunity for some to buy the dip to sell it quickly, but I think it will trend down. When a stock falls out of an index, it's not positive news. It's not good news at all. Hence why the stock is down. You can see it's been down 30%, just keeps trending down. But what we've got now, we've got a stock here that is just a scalps trading dream. Be very careful because everybody wants to buy this and pump it and then dump it again. That's not for me. I never lose my money. I never lose on trades and I don't chase stock. This is not for me, but I know some of you love this sort of action. This is very exciting. Let me share with you the news today. And what I suggest you do is during the week, Sensei will do a report on this and provide you the charts, the buy zone, sell zone, support levels, and you know how accurate he is. He also, if you want access all his information, his charts and so on, you can access via Discord. It's a members only perk as well as Ed Nevius, so you can get all of that stuff in our Discord, members only. But this is the news today. I reported earlier about Supermicrocomputer dropping out of the NASDAQ. But here is some extra news that I thought you might find interesting. So let's have a quick look at this. The biggest stock moves on Monday. Just be careful, right? You end up getting caught with the stock ultimately going down. cautious sentiment gripped stock futures on Monday as markets brace for a pivotal week. Of course, we're going to be covering the FOMC report on Wednesday. Expect huge volatility for NVDA, XRP, our favorite crypto, and also super microcomputer. All of this is wrapped up in this. Biggest stock gainers, MicroStrategy. We know MicroStrategy watered down their business. They diluted to raise more funds to buy more Bitcoin, which is what they did. But we've got a SMCI report contained in here. Let me scroll down. There you go. Super microcomputer shares fell over 6%. Following the announcement, the company will be removed from the NASDAQ. Now, this is bad news, but it presents people the opportunity to buy an overreaction selling. But remember, it's being delisted. It's been taken off the index for a reason. Chasing a stock like this is very, very risky. Yes, you can have great gains, but you can get caught with your trousers down. Always best to avoid these. I know some of you will love this, but I never touch stuff like this. I never would. So anyway, following the announcement, it'll be removed from the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100 tracks the largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. The rebalancing will be effective before the market opens on December the 23rd. Now, this doesn't mean the company's failing and it's rubbish and you should never buy it, but it presents opportunity for scalp traders. That means investors are taking a sort of sit out right now and wait and see situation. But we need to get some more information from them. They've got a lot of, the filings are missing and so on and so forth. We need to bring all of that information up to date before we can make an informed decision. However, it does present opportunity for those that like to scalp trade. Just again, please be careful. This is the sort of stock on this news that can drop again 10, 20, 30%. And it can keep doing that now all the way up and through to Christmas. People take money out of this stock and buy NVIDIA, which is the better buy. Okay, just a little thought. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. On Wednesday, we've got our big event. We've got this event here. You cannot afford to miss it if you're trying to scalp trade SMCI. I will cover it in detail on this event. This is the FOMC report. We're going to cover it on Wednesday. We're going to see all the action. So join me for that. And also, we're covering every day our Christmas playlist as well. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. Every day we got a song come out. This morning's song was Band-Aid. This one comes out after the show today. You might want to go and check that out. So anyway, all the links above my head down below in the description. Over here I'll put the song of the day, which is Band-Aid. Down here I'll put the FOMC report. You might want to check that one out. You can't afford to miss that live event. The first half an hour will be members only to answer all the questions and do an exclusive members only poll, so we get an accurate poll before all the trolls and bots come in. All right, there you go. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, now then, this one here. I'm going to cover this now. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I know one particular viewer will love the fact that I'm mentioning this on a show. United States Antimony, UAMY. Up today. A lot of volatility with this stock. Let me tell you why. It relates to an earlier video. I'll give you the link for that in a moment when Donald Trump talks about making batteries in the US and changing the whole EV structure of the United States. Very, very exciting. This company will benefit from that. That's why it's up. More information. Have you tapped the like button? Without tapping the like button, I won't show you the great stuff. Have you hit subscribe? I hope you have. Let me share with you, but let me warn you first of all. The other day, somebody asked me to review this stock. You can go and check out my full analysis of this stock. I did a full review on it, and I will share that with you on the screen in a moment. He wanted to buy it because he saw it dip here. I said, wait, it's going to go down further. It's going to go down further, and it did. It went down 35% from where he wanted to buy it. But I said it is a bullish stock. I did a bullish sentiment on my review, but wait a few days. It went down to here. You could have got a lot more by waiting, so I was spot on, and now it's going up because it's a bullish sentiment. And now it's about to get even more bullish. And let me explain why. As I search in my own channel for the review I gave you, Martyn Lucas Investor, UAMY. I'm doing this live in a video so you can see. Here we go. This was the video. I will back up what I say what I do what I say. There it is. I said UAMY stock, United States. Don't buy what sounds good. Don't buy what sounds good. We had some news about it, but the fundamentals weren't right at that price, and boom, it went down. Don't. I put that out 6 days ago. Go and check my story on it. I covered it for you. I said, don't. Wait. The trolls were going, now it's gone up. Yeah. But we said, wait for the dip, 35%, accumulate more, and then it'll go up. So what is the news and why is it going up? Well, earlier today, I made a video, and I'll give you the link for it above my head and down below in the description, pinned to the comments, about Donald Trump has just has been talking about bringing more EV batteries to be manufactured in the United States, stop them being imported and all this kind of stuff. However, a lot of noise. It isn't all going to happen because we just don't have the infrastructure ready to build that many batteries that we already bring in. So it's a great idea. Good story. Remember, don't buy the story, buy the rumor, sell the news, all that stuff. But just be careful. And there's volatility with this. The time to buy it was the dip last week, which I gave you. I said, wait a week, wait a few days, it'll go down. Then it was. Now it's not. Now it's run up again. And now people are getting euphoria and excited about what Donald Trump's going to do. Will he? Well, only time will tell whether he'll do it or not. But this is some more color to the news. Go and check out the other video I talked about. But this one here. United States Antimony Inc. formal testing agreement with Perpetua Resources. This is good news. This is only out a few minutes ago. Brand new news. If you want Seeking Alpha Spread, link is in the chat for you. And it's also below every video. Why do I give you a referral link? Because you can get a free trial and discounts more than you can if you do it without my referral. Okay? So yeah, I get a little bit. You get a little bit. We all win. Without my referral, you pay full price and you don't get free trials. Okay, so there you go. Let's scroll down. United States Antimony and Perpetua Resources up 6.9% pre-market. Squadron 916, thank you very much. You're very welcome. Just got a little comment in the chat saying, Martin, thank you very much. I'm not sure for what. For this stock, is it? It's ultimately bullish, but just you should have bought it last week. That's all I'm saying. I wouldn't have bought it now because now you've missed it, right? Anyway, pre-market Monday after announcing a formal metallurgical testing agreement to evaluate stibnite rich material from Perpetua's Stibnite Gold project in Idaho. There's going to be more of this now. Perpetua said it will supply samples of antimony ore and assay work for evaluation at U.S. Antimony's Montana facility. The company said the testing will allow the evaluation of antimony product specifications that may be able to commercially produced from Perpetua or at U.S. Antimony's processing plant, but they have not entered into a joint agreement for commercial production at the current evaluation stage. So just remember, hasn't happened yet. So we got the news, it rallies up. There'll be some complications, as there always are, and a bit of, Donald Trump is not going to quite do it when he said he is. There might be another chance to buy another dip again. Remember, there's always down days. The down day, it was too expensive last week before this news. It dropped 35%. That was the time to buy this stock. Now you know what it's going to do. Now you can afford it to run away, and it can drop a bit if you bought it on that discount. You know it's going to go up now. You know this is going to do well, but you just wait to buy it at the right time. The company said the testing will allow the evaluation of antimony product specifications that may be able to be commercially produced from Perpetua or at U.S. Antimony's processing plant, but they have not. Oh, I said that already. I beg your pardon. The Stibnite Gold project contains the largest near-term opportunity to secure American antimony, and identifying domestic processing opportunities is important to our ability to supply antimony for America's defense, energy, technology industries, Perpetua CEO John Cherry said. We like it. Okay, very, very nice indeed. I thought I'd bring that news to you. This is good. Thank you for letting me know, members, by bringing that news to me so I could cover that live on the show. Fantastic. Click above my head for all the links, down below in the description for everything I've mentioned in this video. You cannot afford to miss this event. If you want to trade stock and if you want to make money, you've got to tune in for the FOMC report. This is when all hell breaks loose. We cover it live, of course. The first half an hour will be members only, so we can cover all the questions and provide the best live poll, not spoiled by trolls and bots and idiots. I don't mind using the word idiots because we get a lot of idiots. And here is our Christmas playlist. We've just brought another one out. Every day I'm bringing out new Christmas songs. I was voted by World Piano Man. See my plaque there? Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. There is my official plaque there that I got when I was named by Elton John as the World Piano Man. Fantastic. There you go. Every day we've got a new song for you. In fact, 2 songs a day going up to Christmas. Click above my head for all the links down below. Over here, I shall put our song of the day, which is Band-Aid. Just come out a few hours ago. And down here, I shall put our FOMC report. Join us for that. Remember, we put a bit of music in. We have fun. People often say, why does he put this music in? I'm always making money because I'm always happy. I'm always happy because I'm always making money. We have fun and we always,
David Knight
break it up.
donated £10 through a super chat. Thank you for all your help. Only been trading for 4 weeks with 18k and gone past 500 profit today. It's amazing. I've been low the last few years and I have hope for a better life now. Smile.
David Knight, congratulations. You've done it all by yourself, mate. It's nothing to do with me. You're now managing your emotions. You're now waiting. You're taking pause. You're thinking. You understand the balance sheets. You understand the news from the CEOs. The information is there for you to make informed decisions, which you are now doing. Congratulations to you. Very, very proud of you. David Knight, I just realized you're not one of our members. You should be one of our members. You could be a member for a quarter of that price. David Knight, consider being a member of our channel. Let me give you that and then wrap this video up. So I just need to give it an ending again, once again. Bob my head, down here. Over here, the Band-Aid song at Christmas, and down here, the FOMC report. I messed it up. Well, David Knight messed it up, really. But he gave me £10, so did he really mess it up? Well, yeah, he did, really. But he can be forgiven. It's £10, right? Appreciate it. It's more than $10. Absolutely bloody right. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, okay. It's coming up to 9 o'clock. We're going to wrap up the show half an hour early today, because I want to do onboarding for everybody that wants to be onboarded. So first of all, we'd like to thank our sponsor. Yes, we now have sponsors of our channel. Not big rich corporations. Nope, I won't take the money. I only promote and take sponsorship for a ridiculously low price of $99. That's all it costs to be a member of my channel. And every single show, I announce you to the world. This is Crafty Falcon. And we've been helping him grow his YouTube channel. $99 a month. You can always cancel, but they get all the bronze, silver, gold benefits, and they get this extra. So actually, they're only actually paying $70 a month to reach 53,000 people. And I'm live 12 hours a day. It's pretty cool, right? I think you'll agree. It's pretty cool to be, the value is through the roof. So consider being a member of our channel. This guy wants to promote his YouTube channel, Crafty Falcon. So there we go. If everyone could subscribe to our member, I know that you will, because we all support our members. No rich bigwigs can come in here and take over the show. It's always members. He's a sponsor. He's a member. He's a viewer. He's a family member of our show trying to grow his YouTube channel. So everyone, please click subscribe and let's see if we can get him up to 9,870. Remember, this goes up in batches now of 10 because he's a big YouTuber now. Not as big as me, but he's a big YouTuber. 9.86. So let's get him to 9.87. Shall we try and do that now? See if I can scroll in. 9.87. You ready? 9.87. Let's see if we can do it. How many people are watching? We've got 147 watching. So we only need 10 at most to do it. And remember, we all support our members. One day you'll want support, whether it's emotional support, financial support. We all just sent Mike an amazing care package. We've raised money for charities. We help businesses. We help everyone. So everyone subscribe. The link's in the chat. I'm going to refresh it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9,860. I was hoping that would go up. Maybe it's gone up by a couple. We can't see, of course, until it goes up by 10. One more time. Come on, everybody. The link's in the chat. Let's see if we can get our sponsor up today. 9.86. We want 9.87. Go, 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 go. Not yet. Okay, we'll come back to it later. Thank you very much indeed for considering that. Right, my portfolio is about to break another all-time high. Absolutely fantastic. It doesn't even need to get back as high as it was before because now I bought more. I bought more S&P on the dip. 2-week low within 9 cents. Within 9 cents, I got that. 9.86. Thank you, Vanessa Griggs. We're very, very close, I'm sure. It does it every 10 now, so there you go. There's my portfolio. Let's go. We're still keeping Coca-Cola down, which is what we want. It's exactly what we want. And 135, there it is. My all-time high is 1355 or 6. So we're slightly off, but we'll get there a lot quicker because now I own even more of the S&P. So when it goes up, it'll pass it even quicker. Expect that today, if not on Wednesday. So another all-time high is about to be set. And today, when I get paid from my Roth IRA from Coca-Cola, it'll probably take me there because immediately what I will do is I'll buy the S&P. I will buy Coca-Cola on my Roth. I've got $205 free money to do it, tax-free, and I'll buy more. And as it starts to go up, it'll go up even quicker. There we go. Great. Now then, it's the end of today's show. So now it's time to go over to our onboarding process or anything that you want upgraded for you. So the show is now finished. In the next few hours, you will see these videos come out as I post them. But now it's time for members onboarding. So if you are a member of the channel or you became a member today or you become a member in the past and you've not had everything explained or onboarded, now is the time. Now is the time to do it. Here is the member link. Here is Discord link, and now it's the time. So, if you are a member, or you've just become a member and you'd like to know all about it, come in the chat and ask me. I will give you all your perks and benefits. I will tell you. So ask me. Yes, I want to know, and I will tell you everything. If you are a member that has gone onto Discord and you're waiting to be onboarded to access all the premium channels for Sensei, Ed Nevius, all the other things, please now come in the chat. If you are on Discord and as yet you've not been upgraded or you've not had a friend request accepted, now is the time to do it. All you need to do is put your username in the chat right now on your Discord username in the chat, and I will do it right now. If we have nobody come in the next minute or so, I will end the show with Day Trader of the Day. I will get out, send everyone to the extra channel, and I will get on doing these videos. Right, William Brown. William Brown, I've been talking to you a lot recently. I think I recognize your name. So, Will, here we go. You are a member of our channel. I can now confirm that. Thank you very much indeed. That's what I've been asking you to do. Brilliant. Let me go to Discord now. I hope that you're in there. Let me search for you. And yes, you are. I'm so glad. Will's been trying to get onboarded for weeks. We keep missing each other. And Will, it's about to happen. I hope you've sent me a friend request because I'll be able to accept it. Will, there's your name. There you are on the channel. You've got no role until now. I'm now going to give you role of YouTube member. There is role of YouTube member. If you've sent me a friend request, no, you haven't. If you send me a friend request, I will accept it. The reason why I mention this is so you don't get scammed by bots, trolls, and fake Martyn Lucases. Very important to send a friend request. You've not done it, so please, you may have done it before and it was deleted because I don't hold them forever. Redo it. You can now send me a friend request and I will accept it, Will. But I won't look for it. You have to do it live on the show. Don't think I'll do it tomorrow and I'm running around looking for Will's friend request. I don't do that. You've got to do it live on the show. This is the time to do it. All right. Hi, Martin. My Discord name is Derek. Decker. Decker, here we go. Decker. All right, Decker wants upgrading. Let me go over to the Discord. Decker is in. Is he a member? No, he has no role. He is a member of the channel. I can bring him in. Role. Member. Done. If you sent me a friend request, I'll accept it. Yes, you have. You have sent me a friend request. Great. Now you are safe from the bots that pretend, or they're not the bots, they're just scammers pretending to be me. You are fully in. All I've got to give you now is a nickname, exactly as it is here on YouTube. So I'm going to copy it as it is on YouTube. So we've got the same name. We do this for integrity reasons, so everyone knows who you are. Welcome to the family. Thank you very much. That's how you say it on YouTube. So that's how you say it here. You are in. Welcome to the family. You can now access the premium services at the bottom, Sensei Crypto and Ed Nevius. You can now access all of those, plus crypto news, links for YouTube, stock news, breakfast bar every morning. Our members come in, share what they're doing in the breakfast bar. What's going on here? 6 little rabbits. 6 little rabbits. Oh, I love it. 6 little rabbits. Welcome all. We got Hugo Costello. Board me, please. Hugo Castillo. You need to be on the live show. Hugo Castillo. I'm going to do it. Reply to you now. Reply. You need to be in the live. Oops, it's easy. Live show. I'm doing onboarding now. Let me give him the link to the show so he knows where we are. There's the extra channel. There we go. So the main show is finished. We're now doing onboardings for the members. There we go. Hopefully he'll come on in. If not, see, I don't know who he is. I've got no idea who he is until he comes on in, right? I ain't got a clue. Right, Alex, here we go. Alex 22. Okay, thanks. Alex 22. Thank you, Danny. You're welcome. Alex, let me show you what I'm doing. Alex 22. There he is. Alex 22. This is our new member. So I'm going to give you member as a YouTube member and profile. Have you sent me a friend request? No, you haven't. You've not sent me a friend request, so I can't accept it. Be careful. You might get scammed by bots and scammers. But I'm going to change your nickname. If you do it now, repeat your name in the chat and I'll do it for you. What is your name on Discord, on YouTube, sorry? There we go. Alexis, I beg your pardon. Let me put that in there. That's as you are on YouTube, so it's the same. This is just a nickname. There you go. All done. Patrick Black, can you look for me in Discord? Yes. Patrick, this is our onboarding. The main show is finished. We're onboarding people. Patrick Black, there you go. There's Patrick Black. Yes, you are a member. The same name. That makes it easy. Here we go. Roles. YouTube. Oops, Daisy, I'm not showing you what I'm doing. I want to show you what I'm doing. YouTube member. Fantastic. Have you sent me a friend request? No, you haven't. You've not sent me a friend request, so I can't accept it. Be careful. You get the scammers will try to pretend to be me when you're not a friend of mine, and members won't talk to you because they won't know if you're real or not. There you go. Okay, let me come back to just about to finish. So be quick. If not, catch the next live stream. There we go. See, I don't know who you are. I mean, there's no way for me to know different names and all this stuff. That's why you have to do it live on the show. Right. Okay. I think we've done everybody. Everyone's up to date. Fantastic. Yep. Everyone's good. So if you did send... Now, William, Alex, Danny, Patrick, any of you, that if I didn't accept a friend request from you, because you didn't send it, do it now. Okay? Now I've onboarded you. Do it now. Tell me you've done it, and I'll go back and look. Will sent a friend request. Now, I don't know if it's the real you. I have to check. Yes, it is. I can now accept it. Will, accept it. Fantastic. Alex 22. I've got you. I'm accepting it. Decker. You're lucky because I'm doing it this way. I don't normally do it this way. There you go. Your username is below your profile name on Discord. Thank you very much indeed. There you go. Everyone has been done. Hugo Castillo never came in, unfortunately, so I couldn't do that. But everyone's been done now. We'll do our next onboarding on the next show. That's it from me. It's now time to clear the boards and time for day trader of the day to see who won today, who's up the most. So I'm up today. And let's bring in the music. Here we go. Let's roll the credits. See who the stars of our shows are today. Let's see who wins. I am up. I'm up 0.53. I've beaten the market again. There you go. Let's see who wins. Put your scores in as we roll the credits. Here we go. The stars of our show today is Meringue 101, Sfran, new subscriber, Eduardo, new members, Benjamin, Super Chat, David Knight. Oh, Hugo.
Hugo Castillo donated $1.99 through a super chat.
Is this Hugo Castillo? Now I can see why you're not upgraded and why I can't upgrade you. You are not a member of our channel, Hugo. You are a premium customer on Discord, so you access all the services, but I cannot accept friend requests and give you YouTube membership because you're not a YouTube member. You don't have a badge next to your name. If you'd like to become a member, you can. You don't have to be. If you just want to access Discord as a premium customer, you don't have to be a YouTube member, but you don't get all the other benefits. All right? All right. So there you go. There is the link to become a YouTube member. I cannot accept friend requests. I only accept friend requests from YouTube members. 4.2. It looks like Stacey Bailey is going to win. Time is running out. So Stacey Bailey, you win this morning. Congratulations. You are our winner this morning. Thank you for your honest trades. And we all send our love to you with your terrible car incident with the horses sliding off the road and all the rest of it. Thank you very much indeed. Thumbs up to you. Congratulations. Hugo Castillo. He's giving me super chat after super chat.
Hugo Castillo donated $1.99 through a super chat.
Hugo, what are you doing? Just become a YouTube member. It's cheaper than all the super chats, and you get all the membership benefits. It's a membership perk. I can't upgrade you because you're not a YouTube member. You don't have a badge. He's sending in super chats, going crazy with super chats, and he's not a member. So I can't do much about that. Anyway, we're running out of time. If you do it right now, I'll do it, but we've literally come to the end of the show, so I'm going to have to end any second now. It's about time to wrap up the show. If you become a member right now, in the next 5 seconds, I will do it for you. But that is it. So I'm just going to upgrade the show so it goes to the extra channel. Let me... in fact... Should I do this? No, I'm going to send you to the extra channel where we can talk 24 hours a day. I could send you to my world premiere of my music song that goes live in a minute. That would be awesome if everyone did that. Should I do that? hang on. Let me do a poll. Let me do a poll and ask you, would you do it? Start a poll. Would if I send you there now, would you watch all of the 3.5 minutes? All of the 3.5 minutes. My Xmas song premiere. Would you? If you would, I won't send you to the extra channel. I'll send you to my world premiere. It'd be really great. I really am trying to promote my music so I can do fundraising. If I send you there now, would you watch all of the 3.5 minutes my Christmas song premiere? If you would, and I get a majority, I'll send you there rather than the extra channel, because I really, even though the extra channel is better for me because you all like that and all the ad revenue, I want to promote this so I can get my music channels take off so I can raise money for charity. That's what it's all about. I've told you about that before. Okay, start a poll. Let's have a look. It'd be absolutely awesome. And if I get a really good majority, I'll make the premiere start in the next 2 minutes. All right? Be awesome. Right. There's 108 watching, so I could get 108 people watch my premiere. It'd be absolutely bonkers. Yay! It'd be great. So let me have a look. Let me see how many I get. It'd be really, really great. Some of you won't want to do it. You'll go, I'm not doing that. But some of you go, yeah, I'll support you, mate. Don't worry about that. Right. I'll help you. I know what you're trying to do. Right. So what's my next one? It is... Right. We just premiered that one. It's... what song have I got coming out? I've got this one coming out. Yeah. Okay. That'll do. How many did I get? What's the thing? Hey!
TJ Molden donated $4.99 through a super chat. Here's my super chat to send us over.
Oh, lovely. Oh, we got to do it then, haven't we? 73%. So how many people is that? 11 votes. We've got 11 votes. So we've got, what's that? 8 of you. 8 of you are going to watch. All right. I've paid it now. You got to do it. He's right. He's right. So what I'll do, I'll make it go live. I'll make it go live early. All right. I had it set to go at this time, but we're going to do it early. So what we're going to do is 18. We'll do 22. 22. Schedule. Premiere. Edit premiere. Edit premiere. There you go. And I will 8 and 22. I'll make this one go at 1:30 so they can link together. All right, they can link together. So there you go. That one there, 8 and 22, cancel. 8 and 22. And I'll make this one go at 10:30. So one will go into another. How about that? All right. And then I'll send you to the extra channel. How about that? I'll be really nice. I'll be really, really nice. Then I'll send you to the extra channel. There you go. So I'll give you a reward. I'll send you to Sensei's charts, in case you missed it, for XRP after the second one. How about that? That's nice of me, isn't it? That's very nice of me. Okay, that's what we're going to do then. So, we're live right now. Customization, this will be great. Redirect. That one there, 10:22. Yeah, 2 minutes. Perfect. Bloody marvelous. Right. Let me bring it up. Oh, 9:22. Bloody hell, I've made a mistake. Good job I'm checking what I'm doing. Always double check. Sharing. When you do it like this, it gets like, you can't even change it. Right, 9:22. 9:22. Schedule. 9:30. Oh my gosh, that was close. Nearly messed it up. 9:22. 9:30. That was close. Nearly messed it up. Right, here we go. So it's going to go there automatically when we finish. Are you ready? Here's the link. Thank you ever so much. Join me. Join me now for the world premiere. There you go. Replace the pin. There you go. It's going to go live right now, okay? And we're going to go there automatically, and it's like a couple of minutes long, and then straight at the end, it takes you to the next one. I thought I'd push my luck, right? I'll have 2 back-to-back, double whammy, right? And then straight after that, it will take you to the extra channel so you can chat with all the traders and investors and XRP. Sensei's doing a chart right now. In fact, I'll rewind it so you can catch the beginning of it when the premiere finishes. So everyone wins, right? Everyone wins, right? Okay, don't say I don't do anything for you. Everyone's going, we're doing it for you, mate. We're watching your channel. You're doing nothing for us. You're doing nothing for us. We're doing it for you, mate. So don't say we're doing it for you. Right, okay, whatever. I'm just saying. Okay, right. I got a big super chat from Hugo Castillo, he's not a member. He keeps sending me super chats. I don't think he gets it. I think he thinks super chats is memberships. Hugo Castillo, he's all over the shop. He's giving me memberships everywhere. Right, okay, there's 90 people watching. Are you ready? It's about to go there live right now. Thank you very much indeed. Please do drop into that. Be absolutely awesome. Let me refresh that screen to make sure that's right. Because I changed the time at the last second. Come on. I'm glad YouTube's working today. It was a bit slow yesterday. 9:22. Yep. Oh, the premiere starting. The premiere's starting. There we go. There you are. It's going now. So I got to say goodbye. Thank you ever so much. Join me on the premiere. This one, the next one, and then join me on the extra channel. Thank you. Keep the music live. Help me raise money for charity. Love you all. Enjoy the music. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas. 50 seconds to go. Bye.